You can send a group message in itslearning without the group members being identified by choosing individual messages. To do this, you go to your messenger, start your new message, and add the members of the group in which you need to send this message to. Once you've selected at least 2, you will notice that you have some options here. If you choose send individual message to each recipient, each of these recipients will receive the message without knowing who else received the message. So we will give this a test run. Can you see who this message? Okay, now I'm going to send it. And here it shows that I've sent this message. Okay, if I want more details, I can go back to my messenger. See how it says sent to 3 people. Up here, if I click the person, I can see exactly who it was sent to. All right, so now I'm going to go over and sign in as the demo student. So here now, this is the demo student. If I go to messages, I can see they've received a message from me, and it says, this is a test run. Can you see who this message was sent to? So by all accounts, I cannot tell who else this message was sent to, and when I respond, the message only comes back to me. It does not go to any other people that received the message. Okay, now if I come back over to signed in as myself, I go to my messages, and I can see this demo student has replied to me, and this message went to no one else except for me. Now, if I need to send another message to the same group, unfortunately, I do have to start the message again, go to new, and retype each person's name. And again, as soon as I add the second person, this message appears. So you want to make sure that you say send individual message. And this will allow you to message a group of students with privacy to each group member.